So in this we have to find identify the set of atomic numbers belongs to the transition element series. Which of these is a correct set? So we know that from the definition of transition elements, they must have incompletely d orbitals in its ground state or in the most common oxidation states. So elements 21, 25, 29 and 57 and 72 are transition elements because they have incompletely d orbital in its ground state or in the most oxidative state. So correct option is second. And Zn, Cd, Hg are not transition elements because they have not completely filled d orbital in its ground state or any of the oxidation states.